Hi everyone, welcome back to Kranthi Academy. Today we are going to discuss English question paper. So let's start with the first question. Choose the correct tense form from the options given below. So first few questions are based on the tenses in English grammar. Question number 1. The boy is playing football. Here the clue is playing. If it is, are or am plus verb plus ing. Here which is the verb? Yes, play is the verb. So playing, verb plus ing, playing. Then it will be present continuous tense. So is playing, are playing, am playing, these are all present continuous. That means something is happening right now. Let's move to the question number 2 in this category. The Stone Age man lived millions of years ago. So here it is lived. Lived in the sense it is past tense. Okay, something that happened already. So answer is C, simple past, something that happened already. Question number 3. She has been waiting since morning. Here the clue is has plus been plus verb plus ing. So if this format is coming, then the tense is present perfect continuous. Let me tell you one more clue. If there is ing form, then it will be any one of the continuous form. Okay, it will be any one of the continuous. So here it is present perfect continuous form. Next question. My mother will be mixing the cake batter. Here it is will be. Will be used always in future tense. And I told you already, if there is ing form, then it will be any one of the continuous form. Now look at this, it's quite easy because from the options we can understand that only one option has continuous in that. That is option C. So the answer is future continuous. Next question. I have completed my homework. Here the clue is have completed. If have is there, that is present tense and it is perfect as well. So here the answer is present perfect tense. Let's move to the next category, reading comprehension. Read the passage and answer the question. Let's read the passage now. Language is a wonderful gift given to man. No animal possesses this gift, but they have their own way of expressing themselves. When a rabbit sees an enemy, it runs away into its hole. Its tail, which is white, bobs up and down as it runs. The other rabbits see it and they run too. They know that there is a danger. When a cobra is angry, it raises its hood and makes itself look dangerous. This warns the other animals. When a bee has found some food, it goes back to the hive. It cannot tell the other bees where the food by sticking to them, but it does a kind of dance in the air. Some animals say things by making sounds. A dog barks when a stranger comes near. So dear, whenever you are solving a reading comprehension, first read it quickly. Then read the questions, find out the keywords, then again come back to the comprehension and read it again. Definitely you will get the answer. So here actually this is very easy comprehension passage. Let's check what it is. This passage is actually all about the communication of animals. Okay, how animals are communicating if something happens to them, if they have food, if there is any danger, all those things are given here. Let's start reading the questions one by one. Number 1. How is man different from animals? Yes, man has the gift of speech. See. How does the rabbit give a signal of danger to other rabbits? It bobs its tail up and down as it runs. Option D is the answer. How does a cobra warn the other animals? It raises its hood to look dangerous. How does a bee communicate about food to other bees? It does a kind of a dance in the air. A dog barks when a stranger comes near. This is an example to show that some animals communicate by making some sound. Next, choose the correct options. Number 1 in that, someone has stolen my bicycle. This is actually active to passive voice conversion. Here you can see that it is has stolen. That means present perfect. If it is has or have in the question in the active voice, when we convert that into passive, we add the word been. Okay, so the answer is B. That means my bicycle has been stolen. So we are adding been. Next is my father gave it to the mechanic. That means it is in past tense. So here we use the auxiliary verb was or were. So the answer is A. It was given to the mechanic. Next, question number 13. It had been thrown there. Here actually it is passive to active. And the answer is someone had thrown it there. Next, please sit. Here actually it is direct to indirect speech. Answer is C. You are requested to sit. Next we have, he said, where are you going? Here the answer is B. That means he asked me where I was going. Next question is, choose the word from among the 4 options which is similar in meaning to the word given below. That is synonym. First one, ancient, synonym is very old. Number 2, tiny, and here the answer is small. Then next one we have huge, and the answer is large. Actually all the synonyms you have to learn, then only you can solve this. Then conquest, the answer is victory. Then the last one in this category, begin, here the answer is start. So these are the synonyms. Now fill in the blanks with appropriate preposition. Here preposition is the category. First one, Holi is on 10th November. So here it is a date. If it is a particular date, you have to give on. Next, Gandhiji lived during the English rule. Here we are telling the time period. So during. Then they finished work at sunset. Before sunset, we use at. I will call at your house sometime dash the evening. Here it is in the evening. Shangar's birthday is on 31st April because 31 is a date. Complete the following passage by choosing the correct option. Okay. So this is the question. Some people feel that dash the best way to take a vacation is to. So 26 options are A and the sum. Here the answer is the, because it is superlative degree. The best. That's why answer is the. Then dash a cruise. Here it is on. Before cruise we use on. Then there is a lot one can do while. It is sailing, because after while we use ing form. The outdoor grains dash the variety. It is and the variety. We are adding information. Next, the cruise, a memorable experience. There is always something dash everyone to do. It is 4. 4 is the answer here. So that's it. Next, choose the correct meaning of the idiom or proverb given below. First one, to die in harness. Its meaning is, third one, that is die while still working. Then between the devil and deep sea. Here the meaning is in a confusion. Next, not able to make both ends meet. Here the answer is earn enough. Next, an apple of discord. Here the meaning is cause of quarrel, reason for fight. Next, at 6 and 7, the meaning is in a disorder. So that's it here. Next, choose the word that best expresses the meaning of the given word. This is also similar to synonym. Number 1, admire. Its meaning is praise. Number 2, we have bitterness and its meaning is acrimony. Acrimony. Next, we have the word blessed and its meaning is holy. So all these synonyms you have to learn. Then we have busy, and the answer is fourth one, active. Next, delivered. Here the answer is dispatched. We used to say delivering the product or dispatched. Next, fill in the blanks with the most appropriate subject-verb agreement. This is very important topic. Either of you dash responsible for the program. Here the answer is are, because after you we use are. 1,000 rupees dash spent. Here the answer is. That means if a number is followed by a noun, then we use singular. Next, Ramesh dash to school every day. Here it is an everyday process. So we use the base form of the verb, but if it is third person, we add yes. So Ramesh is a third person. So we have to add yes, goes. Dash this work be done. Here the answer is can, because it is about ability. She dash her hair with a hair dryer. She, same reason, dries, because it is third person and it is about hair drying, right? So dries her hair. Next we have the spellings. Okay, 46th one, it is the month February and the answer is C. 47, it is independent and the answer is number 1, D-E-N-T. 48, the answer is number 1, miscellaneous. See, here they will confuse you. 49, we have option 4, embarrassed. And last and the final one, we have conscientious. Here the option is number 1. Dears, please be careful. You have to learn all the vocabulary words, all the synonyms, all the idioms and its meanings, because these are all important. Don't worry, we are here to help you. So be cool. Thank you. We'll meet you in the next video.